All right, what is going on, guys? Today is September 21st, 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm having technical difficulties with my cat. It keeps wanting to jump up and mess with the microphone. But anyways, bringing you a quick SundaySwap update on the Cfund, right? Cfund scoops up Sunday. Let's talk about it. What is Cfund? Anchored by IOG Charles Hoskinson and managed by Wave Financial, an SEC-registered investment advisor with $1 billion of AUM, Cfund is an early-stage, sector-agnostic, early-stage venture fund that invests in innovative technology companies building Cardano-based apps, services, and products or deploying on other IOG R&D initiatives. The purpose of the fund is to accelerate adoption, development of the Cardano blockchain and its ecosystem. So that sounded like a lot of mumbo-jumbo technical advanced, like you need a business degree to understand what that paragraph was about. But anyways, Cfund is basically a venture capital fund, and they're helping Cardano just innovate and all around the Cardano ecosystem and its new projects. They're providing funding for these projects. So let's get into how CSwap has helped out SundaySwap, right? So decentralized finance platform developer SundaeSwap Labs announced today that it has raised $1.3 million in a seed round led by Cfund. And it goes on to describe what I basically just read off to you about what Cfund is, right? So, at the heart of SundaeSwap Labs' suite of products, it is its decentralized exchange, which will initially provide an automated market maker to control liquidity for the exchange of assets on Cardano. The funding will allow SundaeSwap to accelerate development of the DEX, continue testing on the platform, and refine the user experience in advance or its anticipated launch. So that's awesome, right? The funding will allow SundaeSwap to accelerate development of the DEX. So maybe we are going to be getting SundaeSwap a little bit sooner than the competition from this funding, right? Maybe SundaeSwap will be that first DEX out. I know a lot of them are launching in October. That includes ADAX, that includes ErgoDex. They're all planning to launch sometime in October. So whoever launches first is obviously going to have that first mover advantage. So maybe that's why SundaeSwap reached out and got this funding to maybe help them get that number one spot and launch the quickest. But we'll have to see how this all plays out, right? And then it goes on to say, the capital will also allow SundaeSwap to accelerate the development of additional functionalities for the DEX, finish scoping out the company's broader plans for DeFi on Cardano, and build out the organization's capabilities to support these plans and features. So, I mean, that's pretty big for SundaeSwap, right? $1.3 million is not something to just throw to the side. I know it's, going to have a much larger market cap than 1.3 million, but that can definitely help in this early stage of building SundaeSwap and really hopefully push SundaeSwap out as soon as possible with this funding, and it leads to future proofing. It has money for them to keep working on the project as time goes on. But anyway, that's really it for this SundaeSwap update. I know the markets are kind of tanking. I kind of want to take a quick look at that real quick, right? So over the weekend we had, or Monday actually, yesterday we had the huge news of the China real estate market is basically going to shit, right? So that caused massive fear in the stock market. The stock market tumbled, and we're still tethered to the stock market, unfortunately. And Bitcoin fell to the depths of hell, basically, between yesterday and today. And it's just really not looking too good here for Bitcoin. But I am expecting us to kind of even out around the $38,000 mark, which would put Cardano. I'm thinking if Bitcoin goes all the way down to 38,000 and say we bounce from there, I think Cardano will probably go to 185, maybe slightly below it, and then bounce from there. I'm not expecting us to go any lower than 184, 185. But hopefully we get a bounce here soon in the next couple days, maybe towards the end of the week, going into next week. Just have to see how this all plays out. I still think we're in a bull market, as crazy as that sounds after these dips. But, I mean, I just don't see that we're in a bear market yet. I'm not taking any profits. I wish, if I would have taken profits, I should have been a little bit smarter and took them up here around the $53,000 range. But I didn't. I thought we might get a little bounce up here when we came back, but that didn't end up playing out, and we just came down. So now I'm just holding, right, and just running this out. Do not panic sell, especially if you are in the red. I mean, if you're still really up on profits, 5, 10x, yeah, you may as well take some profits. But I do think we're going to be bottoming out here soon, and at least getting some kind of relief rally, and we'll go from there and see what's up with that. But like I said, quick little video on this SundaySwap announcement, and I will be coming out with more videos throughout the week. 8x had a crazy pump over the weekend if you're into that. I'm not really going to cover that because in a separate video, because we already came back down to basically our baseline. But I hope you guys had a great past weekend, and I hope you guys have a good rest of your week. More videos to come, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.